Hi, good morning. I'm Ritesh Rana, your life coach and mentor. My dear friend, today I'm discussing with you that's a very important topic of gratitude. My dear friend, actually we never think that how many abundance of prosperity, good health, good relationship and so many things we have, but we never gratitude for those things. Actually, when I started learning this process in my life, that how can I make my life beautiful, then I learned that gratitude is the only thing that makes our life beautiful. In ancient time, every people gratitude for everything which is they have. It is very beautiful thing when you gratitude in the morning and before sleeping at night. It is really great thing that we count our blessings. It is so beautiful and so fantastic thing when we count in the morning after getting up our blessings. We never be focused on the problems. We always be focused on our gratitudes. By doing gratitudes every day, the life it's completely changed. For the last 7 months, I'm every day in the morning and before sleeping at night, I gratitude, I follow gratitude, and while doing this, my life is completely changed. My dear friends, if you prepare your mind, if you set your mind for the things which you have and you start doing gratitude, your life becomes so beautiful and awesome. But how to gratitude? Suppose how I start gratitude in the morning. Whenever I wake up in the morning, I say to myself, thank you, I'm grateful for the day which I again take. Like, suppose, my dear friend, if you didn't get a new day in your life, what will happen? So it is very important when you get up in the morning, you do gratitude for the universe. Ki, thank you, I'm grateful for the new day in my life. I'm grateful for the beautiful health and healthy body I have. I'm grateful for my good relationship in my life. I'm grateful for my business. I'm grateful for my uh, abundance of prosperity. I'm grateful for my money. I'm grateful for my food. I'm grateful for this entire environment which can give us life. I'm grateful for the food. I'm grateful for each and every moment which makes my life happier. So many things are there. You can gratitude, you can grateful for those things. I know, my dear friends, we always stuck in the counting problems, but we never spend our time to be count blessings. And universe give us so many beautiful things in our life. Think, have you ever gratitude for your life? Gautam Buddha said, if you get up in the morning and you didn't get anything new in your life, but you can gratitude for your life, for the day. Suppose if you didn't get new anything in your life, you gratitude for things that you learn so many things. So if we start doing gratitude in our life, so life will be changed. You can make a diary before in the morning. You can write your gratitude in the diary. You can start with you always count your 10 to 8 to 10 blessings and you can write down in your gratitude diary. I follow that gratitude diary. You can write, okay, I am grateful for love, happiness, peace, bliss, which is I am receiving from universe, God, whatever, whom you believe that, and which makes my life beautiful and awesome. I'm grateful for my good health. I'm grateful for my uh, good muscles, bones, tissues, skins. So I'm grateful for those things. I'm grateful for my business, my job, that where I am earning money for my life, for my family. I'm grateful for my family which help me, support me. I'm grateful for good food, which give us energy. I'm grateful for the water, which because our 70% of body is for water, so it's give us energy. I'm grateful for air, fresh air, which live me. So, and I'm grateful for my friends. I'm grateful for my colleagues. I'm grateful for my education. I'm grateful for my uh, house. I'm grateful for my bike. I'm grateful for uh, my education. So many things are there. You can grateful for those things. My dear friend, if you start doing gratitude in the morning and before sleeping, definitely you will see some changes, beautiful changes in your life. Actually, I was also unknown about that why should be gratitude, but by learning so many things and reading books, I found that if you want to make your life beautiful and happier, so start doing gratitude. And for the last 7 months, I have been doing gratitude in the morning and before sleeping. I count those things which is beautifully in the day, and by doing this I feel happier internally, I feel peace internally, and all the negativity which is comes in my mind, it is removed. So that's why this today's video is only for start doing gratitude in your life. You can grateful for each and everything, each and every moment. Like I'm sitting here and it's a beautiful platform, railway platform, and in the morning when I came here to be walk and racing, I start gratitude. That's I'm grateful for the railway who makes this beautiful platform and chairs. I'm grateful for the trees that we which gives us fresh air. I'm grateful for my health. So every moment, whatever I have, I gratitude. My dear friends, we never have you ever counted this in your life? Nobody will tell you that how can you make your life beautiful, because they are not wrong, because they don't know that how to be heal their life. But it is very important in your life if you want to make your life beautiful and happier. So start doing gratitude. And suppose I am reading this book, I gratitude, thank you for the book which give me so much wisdom. I am gratitude for my clothes, I am gratitude for my camera, my mic, because these things I have. Suppose we don't have those things, what will we feel? So that's why, my dear friends, we always feel and do gratitude those things which is I have. So many people says that they are facing money problems, and I ask those persons ki have you ever grateful for your salary? It doesn't matter it is small and big amount, but you always grateful for those amount, because it is for you. Okay, so please grateful for everything. And my dear friends, if any you feel that there are some problem in this video and anything whatever I talk, so please tell me below in the comment, and I will definitely improve to be tell you and explain you my personal experience. My dear friends, this channel is not any give a verbal information. This channel is only what the experience I am having, those experience I'm sharing with you. Okay, and today in this video I start speaking English because I want to be share with you in English language, and so that's why I'm starting. I know that this is my first video, and this is the first time I'm talking in English language because I love this language. So I'm wanna just say thank you watching this video, and I hope all the information help you to be in your life. So start gratituding in your life and tell me what effects after doing gratitude in your life. You can also do gratitude at the time of meditation. Okay, so thank you. I love you all. Thank you so much. I love you, and I love you. Thank you. Namaste.